Hi, I'm Lee Graham from LJP Tourism. We are at our venue, Baboon's Rest, in the beautiful Cradle of Humankind. Our clients will land on the Baboon's Rest mountaintop. They will enjoy the most incredible bush braai, which will consist of a very traditional South African menu. We offer a black horse beer and gin tasting, while our clients enjoy the beautiful sceneries around them. This is the most exclusive offer we have at Baboon's Rest. You get to experience a 30-minute flight over the Cradle of Humankind, with beautiful sightings of game along the way, and a 1.5-hour mountaintop bush braai. Our guides are well informed about the history of the Magaliesburg area, so should you have any questions, they will be more than happy to assist. For more information, please visit our website www.ljptourism.co.za. We look forward to welcoming you.